Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you all charging methods for the headphones Philips. And the first one is to use USB-C cable. Just connect it to USB-C port on your headphones. Here we go. We can see a LED light, so it means that it's charging. And the second method is to use your phone. All you need to have is just a USB-C to USB-C cable. So just connect it to your phone and the second one to your headphones. If your phone doesn't support USB-C, maybe you should have a Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.